Hello everyone, my name is Saksham Dikshit and this is my channel Pentest Diaries. So today I'll make another video on if-else statement in the same series of Solidity programming series. And in this we'll just see how to use a if and else statement for it. So I'll just make it very clear to you if else statement proceeding further with that. So in case of a smart contract, we are not using the if else statement directly in a contract itself. We always using if else statement in a function. So wheresoever you are seeing that in a code, if else statement is utilized, it's inside the function only, not outside the function. Okay, that is the only keyword statement I just want to convey to you itself. So now we'll go to the practical section straightforward itself, like nothing is in a 3D portion. As if else statement, if you're not aware about it, I'll just let you know about it, what exactly the if else statement is. So if an else statement is a condition over there itself. Whenever there is a term, like taking example, if anyone is saying that I'll pick a number 0, so I'll just put it a condition over there. If the number is 0, then in that case this output I'll supposed to put it. If the value is greater than this 0, then in that case this value I'll try to put it. And if it's not, if nothing is coming under the category, then in that case else is a category finally. So if else is a category, if this is happening, go ahead further with that. If whatever the action we are taking it, if else if is one of the category where we are defining it one more condition over there itself. If that condition is also not fulfilled, then we'll go to the last section, which we call it as a else. So it depends on it how complex you can make it or if else statement itself. In my code itself, I'll have make it if, else if, and then else. That was a code in a code itself. I have make it inside of the function itself. So let me go to the code and I'll show you that. Okay. So this is actually looks like the code you can see. So this is a conditional contract which I have signed it, and in that the function I have prepared with this way. Okay. So we'll try to pass the value a. We'll take it as an input as integer. Okay. And I'll tell you that there is nothing like a state variable I'm defining over here. So everything is a local variable. Okay, so that is one of the thing which you have to note it down. So a is one of the integer I have defined as a value, and over here itself a string we are defining it over here itself. Okay, so in the return we are getting a string. That was the reason we are seeing that string memory. Okay, as we have put it everything as an output as a string itself. That was the reason we have defined it in case of returns as a string. Okay, so what we have to do, we simply have to go, we'll see over here itself our values is get it defined over here itself. Okay, that is also one of the things. So we have defined a local variable over here itself, but still we have to mention a memory as it's a string variable. Now whatever the input we are giving as a, so we are putting the conditions over here, if, else, and then return the value. Okay, so if taking example, if a is greater than 0, then in that case this condition will fulfill, this output will pop up, and this will be success, and in that case return value is greater than 0. So whatever that actual going inside, like taking example, if this is a condition fulfill, it's going inside of it, whatever the values get returned back from the return parameter itself. And you can able to see, like in the return we are seeing on our screen the value statement, whatever the value statement is get it defined over there itself. Okay, so if we want to try that, let me delete this. Firstly I have to compile this. Now we'll go to the deployed section, deployed that. So this is the one. So what we have to do, put it a value a. So what I'll have to put, integer value a. So let me put first as 1. So in that case you can see greater than 0, the first category. Okay, if I'll put a value as 0, then in that case you can see it's equal to 0. So it's a second condition, if else. Okay, if I'll make it a value -1, then in that case less than 0, the last condition. So if nothing is coming under the category of both the things, then in that case everything is going under the category of else. So even if you are using a decimal also, in that case also it's going in that section only. Okay, so that's all about the stuff we just want to get it covered in this video itself. So it's a small conditional video which I've just tried to prepare it. Mainly we are using it whenever there is a condition statement, we just want to go ahead further with it, try to put some condition. In that case we are utilizing if else statement in case of functions on Solidity. So that's all about the stuff which is I'll just want to try in this video. So thank you so much once again. Take care. Bye bye. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks. Bye bye.